This is my Anthurium Radicans by Luxurians. I am ready to propagate it. Usually in preparation, I would air layer the bare stem to give myself a good head start. I just use moss and contain it using a smaller nursery pot to establish a root system prior to cutting. These roots look great already. They are actually already grown into soil, which gives me a good success rate. I look for an area bare of any of these roots to make that cut. I just make a swift, seamless cut, preferably without the top falling off. But here it is unharmed with an established root system ready to be potted up. This is the butt cut. Originally, I was just going to take the top cut and leave the butt cut to reshoot, but I got curious to see, how dense the root system was under the soil and how long the stem was. So I ended up uprooting it, and this root system clearly is quite dense and the stem is definitely choppable. There are a bunch of auxiliary nodes that you can see right here, those little black bumps, and in between you're able to chop it to create new plants. In this case, I was able to get 4 cuts, and each one of them already have roots to give me a good head start. For each one of these chunks, I place the cut edges in cinnamon to prevent infection. After that, they're all ready to be potted up. For the top cut, I always bury a little deeper to encourage root growth to the top part of the stem. And I always ensure that I place the propagation in a pot where the roots are actually 1/3 the volume of the pot. I'm going to explain my mix next. You may have seen this reel I made for Instagram showing the different components to my Anthurium mix, which includes fine grade orchid bark, large grade perlite, tree fern. The tree fern comes in sheets, so I usually shred that for easy mixing, and I just mix that into a premium Aroid mix. I'll link all the products in the description. When I pot up, I always ensure that the chunk remains above the soil to prevent any type of rot. After that, I use a Great White dilution. Great White is a brand of mycorrhizae. I'll put all the product information in the description below for you to check it out. But basically, the mycorrhizae allows for better absorption of nutrients from the onset. It also prevents trauma. I've been using it for a little over a year now, and the results are incredible in my mind, because the propagations themselves get the nutrients from early stages, and that symbiotic relationship between the root system and the mycorrhizae is established from day one. I could always put a link for a little more information on what mycorrhizae does in the description. After that, I just top with a couple tags and some moss. I forgot to mention that I did quite a bit of root pruning. I find this just stimulates new growth. This is the end of this video. If you guys have any questions, please drop me a line in the comments, and whatever video requests you have, please also let me know. I hope you like this video and subscribe, and I did not forget the follow-up video on how to import plants and everything required for it. Hopefully that will be the next one I post. So thanks for watching.